Hi, thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have a Golf TDI. So this is a 1.6S. So it's the cheap road tax, get great miles to the gallon, and really quite a nice and reliable, economical car to run. So as always, we'll put all the details on the advert of the car, but the wheels have all just been refurbed, unmarked. It's got a good service history with it, including the cambelt. And the video really is just so you can have an idea of how it looks in person as it was. There will be about 100 photos on the advert as well. So it's a really clean and presentable car, really. Nice and clean boot. Got the locking wheel nut, spare wheel, jack and wheel brace. As with all our cars, they do go through the workshop first, and they're all sold with a warranty as well, and 12 months MOT. They're all HPI clear. We can extend the warranty that we provide as well for you. 2 keys with this one. Really, it's got everything that you need in the car. Just done 99,171 miles now. Interior's all clean and presentable. As always, with all our cars, we do viewing by appointment only. Can reserve any car with a small reservation fee. Can offer part exchange as well and finance. If you've got any questions, if you'd like to arrange a test drive or a viewing, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.